Okay. Is pharma good for youth? While conducting interview, many students used to ask me, sir, is this a good industry for me? Right? Is pharma good for youth? Focus on this. If you want to grow and need more promotion, achieve success, right? You need to be flexible. Ready to travel across the country, across the globe, across the state, right? And if you're ready to travel, you will get more opportunity compared to other people, right? If you're ready to move anywhere in the world, anywhere in the country, anywhere in the state, then you will get more, opportunity. You will get more promotions, right? So be ready and be prepared for this. Okay. Next, are you ready for this opportunity? Many opportunities, sales and marketing, PMT. How many of you know PMT? Just type in chat box if you know PMT. Type in chat box, guys. PMT. Yes. Sham. Yeah. Thank you. Yes. Yes. Chandrika. Mansi. Yeah. Thank you. Agnesh. Thank you. Thank you. PMT. Right. Manufacturing. R&D. Research and development. You can be a professor. Right. Pharmacovigilance. Then you can be a pharmacist also. Right. Now, let me ask this question. How many years you can do this job or business in this industry? How many years? Because I have seen people, just come in this industry, even though they have completed their, they have a good academic pharmacy, M-Pharm, but still, they find some other business option. So how many years you can do this in job or business in this industry? You need to ask this question for how many years. Why? After a few years, you will get frustrated, right? So we'll move to the next. Whenever you go for the interview, entire industry is depend on sales and marketing. If there is no sale, no money. So sales is important for each and every company, right? So this question will be asked in your interview. What is sales? What is marketing? Right? So write down this point. Marketing, planning part of sales, right? Because many time we ask this question in interview, not single person, give proper answer. Marketing, blank. When we ask, tell me about marketing, blank. Do you know sales means what? Tell me according to sales. So these are the important points, right? Planning part of sales, advertise, design the product, then market positioning, how to market, right? And helps sales team to get more sales. So planning part of sales, advertise, design the product, market positioning, helps sales team to get more sales, right? We'll move to the next. Sales. What is sales? Different type of sales, right? Face to face with the customer. Which customer? You have to deal with doctor. You have to deal with doctor, right? You have to deal with uh, chemist, pharmacist, right? Stockist. So you have to convince them, right? So face to face with the customer, convince them to purchase your product, right? Okay, we'll move to the next pharma job. It's very tough for fresher to get job, right? How many of you agree this? For fresher candidate, it's very tough to get job. Let's say you take an example for production department, research and development, you take sales and marketing, any particular department. It's very tough to get job, right? So student comes to me and says that, what to do, sir? I don't have job. I want to do this. I- I'm a fresher. What to do then? Right? And I guide them. Just just need to confirm. Am I audible, guys? Just type in chat box because my internet is little slow. Am I audible? Can you see me? Just type in chat box. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Shivani, Harshada, Gaikar, Kukreja. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah. Always ask for experienced people. You go for any industry, we need experienced people, right? Then fresher asked me, what should I do, sir? How should I apply? Right? And I guide them in proper way so that they will be selected in first interview itself, right? So you have to present yourself such a way that interviewer will not say to no to you, right? People are, you know, they don't have knowledge, they don't have knowledge about the industry, what job they are going to apply, right? Which job they are going to apply, they don't have any, and that's why they struggle a lot, right? So you need to present yourself such a way that interview will not say no to you, and you have to, discuss, you have to learn different skills, right? let me give me Let me give you one example. One of my, you know uh, friend, I could say, he was well qualified, done BPharm, done MPharm, GATE, and all 2 3 exams, but no job, right? Rejected so many times. 2 years he applied, he tried, he has given so many interviews in 2 years' time, but rejected, right? Then he came to me and he asked me that, sir, guide me. I have tried, I have applied many companies, but rejected. Then I asked, do you have good degree? He said yes. Do you have good knowledge? He said yes. Okay. Will that work? Only degree and good mark? Will that work? If you will ask me, I will say no, it will not work. You will have to develop different skills, right? Only degree with good marks will not work. Let me tell you all, attendees. So you will have to develop your communication. You will have to work on your personality development, right? You will have to, learn different things. Then only you will be able to, get job, or you will be able to start your business in good way. right? That's why the fresher get rejected. So are you with me, guys? Just type in chat box. Yes. All right. Thank you, Shweta. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. So you need to develop different skill. Don't depend on only degree, right? So next, opportunities. Many opportunities there, right? But again, don't apply just because he is getting good package. You know, my friend is getting 75 lakh rupees package. That's why I'm applying. You will get frustrated after 2 years, 3 years. Find your why. Why I'm applying for that job. What is my interest area? What is my passion? You will earn more than that your friend, right? But you need to find your passion area. Okay. So many people will apply for research and development, and I would suggest that if you are interested for this particular department, then only you go for, right, research and development. Then PV. How many of you know PV? What is PV? Just type in chat box. PV means what? How many of you know PV? Shashikant? Okay. Only two candidate? How many of you know? All right. Super. Gayatri? Mansi? Yeah. Pharmacovigilance. People don't know PV means what and opportunity in PV, right? Government job, production department, PMT. There are a number of opportunity in pharma job, right? Pharmacovigilance, absolutely. So in this particular, you have this much opportunity. Clinical operation, right? Pay scale, if you see, 1.2 lakh to 2 lakh starting package. Medical coding, it's according standard. Medical coding, 1.8 lakh to 2.54 lakh. Then regulatory affairs, 1.8 lakh to 2.4 lakh. Medical writing, you can apply 2.4 lakh to 3.8 lakh, right? Clinical trial at investigator sites, CRC, you can get 1.2 lakh to 1.8 lakh. Then clinical trial, clinical manufacturer, 2.4 to 3.5 lakh. Just let me unmute. New, someone has. Just unmute yourself. All right. So clinical trial at manufacturer company, CRA 2.4 lakh to 3.5 lakh. All right. You can be a professor, you can become professor, right? Government job, if you see, DI starting package would be 7.5 lakh plus. It's depend, right? Pharmaceutical big hospital, 3.5 lakh to 5 lakh starting package. Then production department, QA, QC, right? 2.5 lakh to 3.5 lakh. QC, 2.5 lakh to 4.5 lakh. 3.5 lakh to 6.8 lakh. Quality manager, laboratory analyst, 3.5 to 6.4 lakh. Production manager, 5.2 lakh to 7.8 lakh. So these are the opportunities you can apply for production department. Let's say PMT department. Now, what is the job of PMT, right? So design the product, any product, or if let's say any molecule, particular molecule, and they are working for, right? Thank you, Shashikla. Yeah, design the product, and if I ask you what is the job of PMT, then you will be blank, right? So design the product, unique positioning in the market, any product. If any company want to launch any product, right, the job of PMT department, design the product, unique positioning, market data to share, right? Any query from the doctor, let's say if one particular molecule and one doctor is have query about particular molecule or particular brand, then that query will have to solve by PMT department. Okay, so now post, if you go for this particular department, you can start with training, right? Pay scale 1.8 lakh to 3.5 lakh. Product development 2.5 lakh to 4.5 lakh, right? Product manager, then 3.5 lakh to 6.2 lakh. Group product manager 5.2 lakh to 9.3 lakh. And if you have good experience in this, you can go for AGM PMT 7.5 lakh to 15.8 lakh. It's depend, right? Next, you can become trainer also in this particular industry. If you have good knowledge about product, and if you want to become a trainer, you can be a trainer for pharmaceutical industry, right? So let's say sales team. For sales team, you can become a trainer, right? The package would be around 2.5 lakh, 3.5 lakhs. It depends. For all trainer, what they do, they charge for particular session only, right? Marketing team 3.8 to 6.8 lakh. Production department, production team 3.5 lakh to 6.8 lakh. PV team, if you have good knowledge in PV and if you want to train them, then 3.5 lakh to 6.8 lakh, right? All right. So sales and marketing opportunity. So entire industry depend on this sales and marketing. If there is no sale, the company will not survive. Entire company, any company you take, not only pharma, you take Jio, you take Amazon, you take Apple, and every company, each and every company need more sales to survive, right? That's why they give more package to sales team. And sales and marketing is important part of each and every company, right? Are you with me, guys? Till the time, just type in chat box yes, so that we can move. Mansi, thank you. Thank you, Divya. Yes. Thank you, Sakshi. Yeah. So we can move, right? Sales and marketing. Many opportunity in sales and marketing. You'll get more opportunity in other particular division also. But let me say that again, many CEO of the company, let's take an example of Alchem, right? Juventus, Eris, then MQR. You must be knowing MQR, right? They are now the owner of the company started their career as a business executive, as a medical representative. Yes, they have started their career as a medical representative and business executive. Now they are at CEO level, right? But they have started their career. Let's say for package, medical representative, business executive, 1.2 lakh to 3.5 lakh. It's depend company to company, right? And apart from this, you will be getting daily allowances to travel, right? You will be getting daily allowances, petrol allowances, and other allowances. So apart from your salary package, right? ABM package would be around 2.8 to 5.5 lakh. It's depend company to company in which company he is working, right? 5.5 lakh to 15.8 lakh regional manager, then 7.5 lakh to 17.2 lakh sales manager, AGM 15.5 lakh to 30.5 lakh, general manager 24.5 lakh to 65 lakh, AVP 45 lakh to 1.2 CR, VP vice president 75.2 lakh to 1.8 CR. It's depend company to company, right? SCP senior vice president 1.2 CR to 3.5 CR package, and CEO 2 CR plus the company profit, right? So you can start from here and you can reach here. Again, you will have to find your passion area. If you are not passionate about this industry is not for you. I'm not talking about this particular sales and marketing. I'm talking about entire industry, right? Even if you start business, okay? So let's move to the next. Am I little fast or okay? Just type in chat box okay so that we can move. Okay, thank you Chandrika. Thank you. Thank you Shweta. Thank you Mansi. Yeah, thank you Smita, Sonia. Yeah, thank you Shivani. All right. Okay. So we move to the pharma business opportunity, right? These are the opportunities, guys. You can start your research center, right? You need to have capital of 10 lakh rupees. Minimum capital I am sharing with you all. 10 lakh rupees. And if you want to start your own manufacturing company, you can start. You need to have a 20 lakh to 20 CR capital to start your own manufacturing company. It's depend, right? Next, central warehouse 20 lakh to 1 CR. If you want to start your central warehouse, right? C&F. If you want to start your C&F, 10 lakh to 20 CR. Stockist distributorship, maximum people go for this stockist distributorship, medical shop. So stockist distributorship, minimum capital you need to have a 10 lakh to 10 CR, right? And you can scale up your business, right? Next, medical shop. If you want to start, you need to have a 3 lakh rupees capital to 1 CR. It's depend. All right. Then if you want to start packaging industry for pharma, you can start packaging industry also, 15 lakh to 30 lakh. Brand designing, if you are really interested in this, okay, 3 lakh to 10 lakh rupees capital you need to have, right? Which question ask? Big question. Are you ready with pen and paper, guys? So that I can start. Just type in chat box ready and write it down. Whatever questions will ask in interview, because I have asked all these questions, not only me but industry, everyone in industry, right? Just type in chat box ready. All right. Thank you. Thank you. So for fresher, we generally ask this question: Tell me about yourself. Tell me about yourself. And let me tell you and let me share with you guys. I have seen many candidates, they are not able to speak few words about themselves. 90% of student. You know, one guy came, good academic, MBA degree, and I asked him, you know, what is the long form of MBA? Type in chat box if you know what is the long form of MBA. Don't search on Google. Let me see who can give first answer. Type in chat box MBA. Great. Great. Superb. You all are awesome. Yeah, right. Mangesh, Shweta, fantastic. Fantastic. Right. Not able to answer this MBA. So tell me about yourself. When somebody asks, right? It should be short and straight to the point. Again, which job you are applying for, right? We don't want to listen your history. We don't want to listen your love story. What has happened, right? According to job description, you will have to answer this question. Okay. So tell me about yourself. Next, education. So once we see go through your CV, we can see your education, right? So what you can tell, extracurricular activities. So we'll come to know the candidate, how candidate is, right? If you have handled team during your college, during your know uh, school time, cricket team, you lead your team, right? Even if you have attended conferences or debate in your college or school, you can add this just to get more credibility, right? Any award you have achieved, or you have arranged any camp in your area, anything like this, right? Next question. Card. What is the job of medical representative? I just mentioned what is the job of medical representative, right? But anything you can ask. What is the job of PMT? What is the job of QA? What is the job of DI? So you need to prepare for that, right? Now tell me, all of you, what is the job of medical representative? Tell me, guys. You know what is the job of medical representative? Type in chat box. Product promotion. Good. Kunal. Yes. Sneha. Thank you. Sell product. Convince the doctor to buy their product. All right. Good. Yes. Good. Yeah. So when we ask this question to candidate, they give this answer: self product promotion and all this. So whenever if you are going for the interview, don't give this answer, sir, generate the prescription, right? It's good, but you need to give all this detail. If you are a fresher, then only the interviewer will think about you. His job is to manage sales and target, monthly sales and target, quarterly sales and target, yearly sales and target, right? If he achieve monthly target, he will be rewarded. If he achieve quarterly target, he will be rewarded. If he achieve yearly target, many companies offer international trip, even big cars, 1 lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, depend, right? Company to company. So if you achieve monthly target, quarterly target, yearly target, you will be rewarded, right? Sales target, doctor meet minimum 10 doctor. If you are applying for general division, then you can tell that doctor meet minimum 10 doctor you need to meet. And if you are applying for specialty division like onco, nephro, neuro, all specialty division, then you don't need to say that need to meet 10 doctor, right? Okay, you have to do doctor survey. Doctor survey, according to doctor survey, according to doctor survey, you have to detail brand detail, right? Then demand whatever brand. Let's say if you are meeting one particular doctor and you're detailing one brand, according to survey you're detailing a brand, right? Particular brand. So let's say you're promoting a one rabiprazole molecule, right? And doctor is writing rabiprazole for other company. How you will convert that, right? You have to be different. You have to tell something unique about your product. Then only doctor will prescribe your molecule. Then only doctor will give share at least, right? Once you detail your brand to the doctor, you need to demand for prescription, right? Then what competitors are doing, right? And brand availability. You can think about your college student. You can think about your college friend also. If he getting good marks, what he is doing, how he is studying, which question, right? How many hours he is studying. You can think about this. What competitors are doing, brand availability, then entire responsibility of that particular area. You will be responsible. The stock is handling, near expiry liquidation, right? Shortage of product, reminder card. You have to put reminder card to the particular doctor, right? Chemist, detailed survey, availability collection, and if you have a special chem, you can discuss with chemist, right? And even stockist also. Next, stockist outstanding. You can ask time to time collection or advance payment, right? And near expiry liquidation. Next question, then you can prepare for what is the job of PMT, what is the job of QA, what is the job of QC, at least minimum 10 to 20 points about that particular job. And this is very, very important exercise, guys. If you want to go for any particular job, be prepared for this. Because I have seen many candidates, they don't know anything about the industry. So you have to be prepared. What is the job of any particular XYZ? You can mention PV, any whichever job you want to apply, right? So we'll move to the next. Now, what is primary sales? What is secondary sales? What is price? What is skill you require? Why we don't give opportunity to fresher? Because of this. He doesn't know the primary sales. He doesn't know the secondary sales. What is price? What skill he required? So from scratch, the area manager which working, he will have to teach each and everything, right? It's a headache of area manager. So write down this. Primary sales means what? Can you tell anybody primary sales? If you know about this, just type in chat box. If you know primary sales means what? City, state. Good try. Good try, Chandrika. Good try. Okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'll be there. Okay. Okay, Mansi. Manufacturing need to distributor. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Right. Yeah, it's a primary sales means that company to stockist, means manufacturing company to marketing company to stockist. It's primary sales. Second, stockist to retailer. Secondary sales, right? Then price, PTS. PTS means price to stockist. PTR means price to retailer. MRP, patient, right? So what skill you required? Understanding the sales, how it works, right? Product knowledge. You need to have a good product knowledge about whichever product you are going to sell, right? Even if you are going for manufacturing company or production company, you need to have a good thorough knowledge about any particular product which you are handling, right? Customer knowledge, likes, dislikes, habit of prescription, any particular doctor, how many, if he gives prescription for 3 days, 5 days, right? Or 10 days or 20 days, you need good energy. Even if you are going for interview now, you need to have a good energy. Otherwise, you will not be able to sell yourself. Forget about the package and all, right? You need to have a good energy, enthusiastic, make relation and ready to travel anywhere. Okay. So next, we'll move to the next. Fifth question. Tell me about body system. How many of you can answer this question? Tell me about body system. Type in chat box. How many body system do we have? Don't search on Google, huh? People search on Google and then type. Shashikant, very fast. Good. Chandrika, good. Only two has replied. Two student has replied. See the condition. Yes. Yeah, Sonia, good. Anjan. Yeah, 4 people have replied. Great. So you need to know about at least this system, 11 system, right? Then second thing, role of system. Let's say if you are going for mm, neuropsychiatric division, which system will be asked in interview? Tell me fast. If you are going for neuropsychiatric division, which system will be asked? Great. Kunal, superb. Superb. Divya, Monali, superb. Ranin, superb. Like your reply, right? Great, guys. Great. Superb. Let's say second. If you are going for Castro division, which system will be asked? So entire system you will have to superb, Kunal. All right. Superb, guys. Ina, Yogita, Mansi, superb. Yeah. So you need to prepare all this system, right? You go for nephro division, if you go for endo division, go for psychiatric division, even pediatric division, gynecologist, orthopedician, any particular division. Even if you are going for PMT division, PMT department, you will have to explain each and every system. So I hope you have written this. Okay, we will move to the next question. What is antibiotic? What is antibiotic? Whatever question I am asking, 95% people, 95% student not able to answer. You can see in chat box. Not I am asking this. Out of whatever, how many interview I have conducted, out of that 95% people, 95% student not able to answer this. About body system, forget about body system. Tell me about yourself. Not एजुकेशन, ठीक से वो भी नहीं बताते. और ये फिर टेक्निकली गया तो टेक्निकली तो कुछ पूछो ही मत. ओके, सो व्हाट इज एंटीबायोटिक? यू नीड टू बी प्रिपेयर, राइट? व्हाट इज डोज? व्हाट इज हाफ लाइफ? ड्रग डिलीवरी, राइट? व्हाट इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन कैप्सूल एंड टैबलेट? What is mechanism of action of that particular brand, right? So I hope you have written all this question and many like this, but I have shared. If you are going for 100 companies, out of 100, 99 company will ask all this question which I am sharing with you, right? Next, after 3 years, where you want to see yourself? Type in chat box. After 3 years, where you want to see yourself? In which industry? Go for production, PMT, research and development. Even if you want to be, become professor, right? And many people says that I want to start business after 2 years. Then why you came here? Just to experience, right? And many students say that just my family is forcing me to do the job. That's why, sir. That's why I came here for the interview. I'm not interested in job and all this thing. Just my family is forcing me to do. Will that candidate will be selected or not? Okay. Next, why should I hire you? The next question. When we ask this question, why should I hire you? Blank. No single word. So you need to be prepared for this. Why should I hire you? Right? And there will be 100 to 100 students for particular position. So you need to give different answer than rest of the crowd. Then only you will be selected. So in this question, what you can tell to the interviewer that, sir, I am really passionate about this particular job. And when you're, and I don't think too much about time when I start working. Right? So you have to be different than rest of the crowd for this particular question, right? 9, what is your expectation? What is your salary expectation? If I ask 9 question, out of 9 question, only 1 or 2 able to answer, the people able to answer, they ask for, sir, I need 3.5 lakh rupees, 5 lakh rupees package. If I ask 9 question and out of 9 only the person is able to answer 1 or 2 questions and he is asking 3.5 lakh to 5 lakh rupees package, how can I give? And nobody will give, right? Not only 1.2 lakh package. So you need to be prepared, right? And when this question asked, as per the company policy, you can tell, right? Do not negotiate on this particular thing. Okay? And once you get experience, this question will be asked. Tell me about yourself. Why you left the organization? If I ask your boss, previous boss, what he will say about you? What was your achievement? Right? Why we should hire you? Many questions like this. Even if you go for PMD department, production department, or other also. Right? So are you with me, guys, till the time? Just type in chat box. Next 2 things remain. All right. So can I give my short intro? You're listening, right? Just from, yes, okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. In case if you do not know who I am, my name is Rahul Vathore, career counselor, life coach, and leadership trainer. Work as a regional business manager, rest of Maharashtra, one of the youngest regional manager in the industry. Personally, I interacted with 2000 plus doctors across the country and across the state, across all specialty like cardiologist, endocrinologist, diabetologist, nephro, neuro, hepato, then pediatric, gynec, orthopedician, ENT, gastro, all trained over 200 plus business leader on field, conducted 500 plus interview and guided fresher to achieve great success in life, attended 100 plus doctor conferences across the country, and I failed twice in 12th. Yes, you heard right. I failed twice in 12th and I have bunch of mark sheets. Was selling newspaper at Aurangabad bus stop. Aurangabad is located at Maharashtra. Was selling newspaper at Aurangabad bus stop year 2002 to 2007 while learning and while I was completing my graduation. And I believe that, like, our honorable prime minister, he used to sell tea. Now he is prime minister of India, right? APJ Abdul Kalam used to sell newspaper but became great scientist. Dhirubhai Ambani started his career at petrol pump. Donald Trump, many big leader, take any example. They came from poor family background. I'm really poor family background, but one principle is your past does not equal your future. Poor family background, upcoming author, husband of lovely wife, father of 2 kids. I'm grounded spirituality and minimalism. I'm high ambitious, and I tell people live your life like a legend. And I love to help student people in this world. And whatever I am today, just because of this. I thanks to my mentor, Tony Robbins, Jack Canfield, Brian Tracy, and Siddharth. I spent over 8 lakh rupees to learn things. And thanks to my mentor. And I am on mission. My mission is to help 100,000 youngsters to become career ready and get better clarity about their career at early age. Yes, because I have seen many people after 30 years they get frustrated. After 35 years they get frustrated. Why I am this industry? Why I am doing this? Why my family is doing this? Why I am not good? I don't have money. I don't have this and don't have this. If you get clarity at your early age, you will live your life really happy. And if you want any help from me and my team, this is my contact detail, and you can take, if you want help, take appointment for personal coaching, free 30 minutes, only for 20 students. Okay, if you still not clear in your career, what to do and what to not do, right? You can take help, and you can take help from me. All right. Okay, thank you for listening my introduction, guys. Thank you so much. Yeah, now we will move to the next task. And let me tell you guys, I may, during this session also I made English mistake, because English is my third language, you know. And during my schooling, I was getting 5 marks just to grace. I was getting 5 mark grace just to pass. यार इसको आगे जाने दे बस. Right? Okay. Yeah, thank you for listening, guys. Next task. Which company you should start your work? You have to find it out right now. Before completion your graduation, complete your graduation, you can start searching on this. And if you, even if you want to start your business, you can search on this. Find your passion area where you can, start early age, so that you will not face problem for longer run, right? Search ideal company or search ideal business and start with small. Once you get experience, you can start and you can scale big, right? Next, how to find good company. If you want to start, by asking stockist, by doing market survey, right? By asking people who is already in field, right? You can ask people All right. Okay. Now the last point of this session. Are you ready, guys? All right. Thank you. How to get selected in first interview. All right. Wear professional outfit. Wear professional outfit. White shirt for boys. White shirt or sky blue shirt. Blue trouser. Black trouser. Blue or red tie. Shoes polish. Haircut and smile on face. It's symbol of positive. So smile on face and don't be nervous whenever you go for the interview, right? Don't be nervous. Enjoy that each and every moment. Whether you will be selected or not doesn't matter. Okay? Don't be nervous. Enjoy the interview. Next, for girls, wear professional outfit. Avoid if possible no sari and no dark colors, right? Do survey about the company. When the company has launched, what is their mission? What is their vision, right? CEO of the company, who is the CEO of the company and how he is work, right? Then total turnover of the company, how I can contribute to achieve their goals. And whenever you go for the interview, you at this point, I'll give my 100% to achieve your goals, your vision, your mission, right? Next, which are the product contributing more to the company? Let's say Pfizer, Aventis, right? Eli Lilly, Glenmark, GSK, Roche, Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy's, Lupin Pharma, Zydus Cadila, Torrent, Intas, Ipca, Emcure. Which are the product contributing more to the company, right? And never talk negative thing about the company, any particular negative thing, even if you heard, right? And never talk about money. Say thank you to interviewer. If you don't mind, how was the interview? We can ask this question to the interviewer so that he will think positive about you, right? And how should I improve? Because I want a job and I'm really passionate about this industry, this particular job, right? You can ask this question. So I'm done, guys. Let me see how many questions are there people have asked. Just 1 minute. I'm just opening.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, yes, yes.
Sir, there are no questions I have seen till in chat box. So I want to ask one question on behalf of students.
Okay.
Thank you for your in detail guidance to the students, and that would be definitely helpful to them. I just
Thank you,
want
sir.
to
Thank
ask
you.
you that if anybody choose a career in marketing, sales and marketing
Okay.
from B Farm, how he
Okay.
can select appropriate company to start his career?
Okay. So he will have to think about the company first. Let's say if he is from Pune city, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So he can think about his future plans. If he don't want to move anywhere in the world, right? Then he can start Alchem, good company. Then MQR, good company, big company like top 50 company. So Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy, right? Lupin Pharma, I would suggest Zydus Cadila, then Intas, Ipca, all these company are good. So there is no problem of salary and all, because many company faces problem of salary and expenses.
Okay. And what are the qualities student must have to join the sales and marketing?
Sales and marketing, he should have a good leadership skill, right? Communication skill. If he doesn't have, then he will have to improve that communication skill. And team handling, time management, these are the quality the person should have.
Okay, so as I want to ask you, as you are now, I think, a regional sales manager, right?
Right.
So, what is your next goal?
My next goal is to, I have shared that 100,000 you know uh,
Right.
students get early clarity in early age, so that they will not face problems in future,
Okay.
right? And I want to start my own company where people get get good benefit
Right.
from our
Students,
industry.
feel free to ask the question, discuss with sir. As you are in final year, he's as a regional sales manager at an youngest age is here to guide you. So take this as a opportunity to discuss with him, not only related to the sales and marketing. He knows pharma industry very well. So student, please open up and discuss if you are having any query.
Yeah, there is a one Garima is asking job opportunities in pharma for pharma D in India, right? Good opportunity in pharma D. You can go for PMT department and all. Even if you can search for PV also, you can go for that also. Garima. Next question. Good evening, sir. It was an amazing show. Okay, thank you, thank you. I need your help. Okay, no problem. How to develop personality? Great question. How to develop your personality? You have to, not only looking good, you have to develop entire personality. Personality means what? Your communication, your speaking, your behavior, right? Your handling, team handling, your confidence, building confidence, adding value, the entire, spiritually, you have to develop all this. Not Don't depend on one thing, just looking, right? You have to develop multiple ways. Hashida, you got the answer. Next, help in excelling interviews. And okay, thank you. See, this question has asked Yash Patil, is sales and marketing is related with the MBA Pharma? No, no, it's not related to that. But if you have a MBA, it would be good. But if you want to, do MBA for just particular job, I would suggest don't go for this. If you want knowledge, MBA knowledge, then you can go for this. Otherwise, you don't need to go for MBA, because I have seen people spent 10 lakh 12 lakh rupees on MBA, and they again start their career as a medical representative, like other BA and BCom and BPharm students doing same, and same package. Okay, only thing is focus on developing your skill. If you want to achieve great result in your life, in your business, in your job, focus on developing other skill. Don't depend on this, just getting good mark will not help for longer run. I hope, yes, you got the answer. Next. Good pharmacy, you can apply in medicine manufacture, but during pharmacy only syllabus related topic there, no extra knowledge, no clarification. Okay. Pawan is asking on Barambe. Okay. Extra knowledge, definitely you'll get extra knowledge. If you want, I'll be there to support you on this. Okay, don't worry. Good knowledge about pharmacy that I can apply in medicine manufacture, but during pharmacy only syllabus related topic, there no extra knowledge, no clear. Don't worry, I'll be there to support you. Okay. Next, I'm not clear what to do. Okay, don't worry, Divya, I'll guide you on this. Yeah, we have finished this question in Google Sheet. Okay, people have typed in chat box. Just 1 minute, so I'll go one by one. All right. Are there any specific exams related to performance? Yeah, you can, Mansi, you can do, there are courses which you have to do related to PV, right? You can do and you can go for that. Arshada, you got the answer right. Thank you. Next question. Good evening, sir. Thank you. Good evening. Yeah, there is no difference in that. You can use any CV or resume. There is no difference. Okay. And don't depend, if you will write CV, then only you will be selected. If you will write resume, then only you will be selected. It doesn't matter like that. You have to develop your skill, different skill. Pharma MBA, yeah, scope is there, but again, it's depend on your interest. Even if you do BA, Bachelor of Art, there is a good scope in that field. Okay, even if you do MBA, BPharm, good scope. But we are expecting that candidate, different type of candidate, that we are not getting to the industry. Not only this, but any industry. Okay. What is better? Plan MBA. Yeah. Monali, you got the answer. Okay. Job profile for pharma MBA. You can start medical representative, or even if you want to start, you can go for PMT if you have good scientific knowledge. You can go for PV, and you can go for other also. Okay, it's depend on your passion, which area you are passionate about. All right, you can type in chat box, guys, in case if any questions you have. Thank you, Kunal. Thank you. I hope you got some clarity from this session. And thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to share with your student whatever knowledge I have. Okay. And thank you, Dr. Swati ma'am, for arranging this session. Thank you, all students who were till the end to learn and to learn things. Be happy, stay positive, be positive, take care of yourself, take care of your family, take care of, love yourself and love your family. Anything you want to say, sir?